Hey, draw along doodlers. Today we're going to make an orangutan. Just a cute little friend to climb through all of your drawings. He's pretty easy. You are going to need a pencil because we will be going over and erasing some things. So get your paper and make sure it's vertical. You'll have enough room that way. The first thing we need is a big egg shape. So we're going to make a big egg shape. And we're going to flatten the egg a little bit on the bottom. Okay. Now we need to take the top part of this egg and inside a little from the top, we're going to go over and down. Not quite a C, not quite a V. And do the same thing on the other side so it's symmetrical. Not quite a C, not quite a V. Then we're going to do a rainbow over the top. Going to give him kind of a mischievous grin. A small nostril over here. A small nostril over here. And then his eyes just a little bit above that. Now, next thing's next. We need to go in and get him his arms. So they have big, strong arms that are very hairy that can use all their strength to climb. So first we're going to come out. It's going to look kind of like really bad wings. Then we're going to come down, down, out and in, out and in. Now, before we go back up, we're going to come and make this top part. So wave, 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 wave. Wave, 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 wave. Think of it as like big monkey arm hair. Then we're going to come back up and we'll go to touch the overlapping arm hair, to touch the overlapping hair. All right, now we need his legs. He's sitting down right now. So right now we see his knees and his feet. So from right about here, we're going to come down, down, two sides of an oval, down, down, two sides of an oval, and we're finishing underneath his bottom. And they're giving him those nice big feet. Now he also needs a space in his tummy where his hair color changes. So you can come and give him that. And we are ready to Sharpie. So the first thing I notice when I'm Sharpieing this is that I don't want that line through the legs to show because the legs are in front of it. They're overlapping it. So I'm going to erase those just so I don't go over them. So I'm going to go around his leg. Remember, this is your time to tighten up your drawing. This is your time to make it look clean. If you notice something that was a little off when you did it, so like maybe I noticed I rounded that foot too much, then I just flattened it out when I did it with Sharpie. All right. Coming in and arching over. Coloring in the blacks of his eyes. His two little nostrils. His shy grin. Then I can come from the bottom of the egg up, down, and touch. Then I can come and do the bottom where he's sitting down. And then I'm going to go and get all of my hairy arms, not legs. They're not hairy legs. Then I'll come and get the other one. Over. And down. I'm just going to kind of loosely define his belly. So I'm going to let my marker skip a little bit by not putting a lot of pressure on it. That way it's a little bit more of a suggestion line when you're looking at it than a, ooh, you must do this line. So once I've got that, I can go in and I can add my color. I used a brown for his top of his face and his belly. I added a little bit of dark in because when you see orangutans, they have lots of different color changes in their skin and in their hair. And I also added some darkness in there. And then I have a nice little peach for his face. All right, guys, it was great to see you here on Draw Along Doodles. We can't wait to see what you're up to next time.